Let's draw a 3D circle. For drawing the circle, go to Add and select the ellipse tool. Add the circle, add the blue color in the circle. Then add a layer above that circle and make it clipping mask. You can use the same layer using alpha lock. Then add the dark blue color to the lower bottom of the ball for adding the shadow. You can see how I am adding the color. Then add the light blue color in the center of that ball. Select the third color in the row and add it in the ball. Then add the later two colors, the light sky blue color on it. You can draw any shape, any style you want. Then add the light color above it. Sorry, I forgot to select the light color. I am just setting it. Then add the light sky blue color in the center and add the warm shade that is the last color, fifth color in the row. Add that color. Then go to match it wand and add the light color to the bottom to add the shadow. Then go to the magic wand, Gaussian blur, and Gaussian blur the selected layer around 20 to 23%. You can see it's looking like a 3D ball. Then we will adjust it according to our need. Then go to the upper layer, select white color, use the soft brush and add the light white shade on the center above for giving a bright look. Then add a layer and take it below the circle. You can use this layer for adding shadow. You can select it by a pencil or you can drag it down by fingers. You can see use the darker color and softer brush for adding the shadow below the ball. Yeah, here is the shadow. You can use a little bigger brush size. Our 3D ball is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.